Hello and welcome to the Eats of MICH. Today I am bringing you 5 items you need to have as a new vegan. All of these items have really helped me transitioning from being vegetarian to a vegan and are just essentials in my cooking. Okay, first item on the list is Oatly Creamy Oat Single Cream. So this is a vegan alternative to single cream and it is truly amazing in cooking. I like to say that I found vegan cheeses that I like, but I haven't as of yet. This allows you to make a really creamy carbonara sauce. It's also absolutely fantastic to put in your oatmeal. It makes it so creamy and indulgent, like you were making it with proper milk. And it just makes it that little bit more luxurious, especially if you've run out of milk and you only have water. I also love using it in my coffees to make it a little bit more indulgent. Okay, and number 2 is Marmite. Okay, so Marmite traditionally you'll put it on toast, crumpets, all of those kind of good things, but in cooking, especially in vegan cooking, it is really good to put in things like spag bowl, casseroles, cottage pie, because it really gives like an in-depth undertone to your food that you would normally get probably from meat products. So it really just makes the food tastier and taste a little bit more complex, if that makes sense. Okay, coming in at number 3, and maybe even the most important one that's helped me through becoming a vegan, is Linda McCartney vegetarian sausages. You can only pick this up for about £2. They don't contain any palm oil anymore, and they're really high in protein. I love having these in brunches, with tofu scramble and sauteed vegetables. They go really well with hummus and HP sauce. We have them in sausage sandwiches. We can have bangers and mash. We can put them with pasta. They are just so versatile, and I strongly recommend having these in your fridge and your freezer when you are going vegan. Coming in at number 4, we have some green pre-cooked lentils in a can. They cost about 55p. They're an absolute bargain and they are so versatile. I was disappointed when I became vegan because corn mince is actually not vegan. But lentils are great because you can use them in lots of like stews with like passata. You can have them on Buddha bowls like I've done here. You can use them instead of using corn mince to make things like spag bowl. I do that often, even though I've found another mince replacement now. And one of my favourite snacks is just to mush them up with loads of coriander, onion powder, garlic powder, and put them on rice cakes for a snack. Really satisfying, high in protein, and really good. And lastly, but no means least, number 5, we have bananas. These are a vegan staple because they are just so versatile. Simply have them as a snack with some peanut butter, mush them up with some dates, some seeds, some oats. You can make cookies, you can make protein balls, you can make pancakes, you can put them in smoothie bowls and smoothies and absolutely everything. Bananas have been a lifesaver. And that's it. We have the green lentils, the Linda McCartney sausages, bananas, the creamy Oatly and Marmite. All essential, cheap staples, all purchased from Tesco's at really cheap prices, and I really genuinely believe will help you turning vegan. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.